The best mechanical keyboards are more satisfying to type on than your average keyboard. The right switches and the right layout ensure that you can type faster, more accurately, and more comfortably than you can on a standard membrane keyboard. Each switch type offers a different feel, and even those of the same type made by different companies offer a unique typing experience. It all comes down to personal preference. And, thankfully, many options are available in a wide variety of switches to suit your needs. If you are looking for the best mechanical keyboards to buy in 2022, we've got you covered. If you enjoy our content, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date about our latest uploads. Number 1. Corsair K70 Mark II. The K70 Mark II is comfortable and offers a flawless typing experience, thanks to authentic Cherry MX key switches. It's gorgeously designed and beautiful to look at, thanks to extensive RGB lighting options. But, most importantly, it works wonders in-game, as it parses every command quickly and accurately. You can even set up custom profiles for each one of your favorite games. Then select a lighting pattern to go along with it. From its discrete media keys to its game mode, which prevents you from accidentally tabbing out of a game, the K70 Mark II is a delight all around. If you can stomach its high asking price, the K70 Mark II is just about the best mechanical keyboard you can buy. Number 2. Logitech G915. Just as gaming mice and headsets have become increasingly wireless over the past few years, the G915 demonstrates how mechanical keyboards can take the same route without sacrificing aesthetics or performance. The G915 is a gorgeous, ultra-thin mechanical keyboard that connects to computers via either USB dongle or Bluetooth. There's no lag. There are no dropped signals. It's just as quick and responsive as any wired peripheral. Thanks to low-profile key switches and full RGB lighting, the G915 is both comfortable and visually striking. Its only real downside is that it costs a lot of money. But when you consider that it will save your desk from unsightly wires and last for many years, it could be a great investment. Number 3. HyperX Alloy Origin 60. The HyperX Alloy Origin 60 demonstrates that mini mechanical keyboards can be perfectly good for gaming. This 60% keyboard doesn't have a numpad, a function row, or arrow keys. But if you can live without learning some button shortcuts, it's a fantastic way to streamline your gaming experience while saving some desk space. Furthermore, the Alloy Origin 60 employs comfortable HyperX red key switches and offers a full array of RGB lighting. Granted, the Alloy Origin 60 might be a tough sell if you're not already committed to a mini keyboard design. Touch typists will find a lot of their favorite buttons missing, and the keys switches are a little louder than you'd expect. Still, as mini gaming keyboards go, this is one of the better ones. Number 4. Logitech G915 TKL. Like the full-size model, the G915 TKL is a stylish and expensive peripheral. It's also one of the only good wireless mechanical gaming keyboards on the market. If you want to ditch your wired setup but don't have a lot of desk space available, this is probably the model for you. As with other Logitech models, the G915 TKL benefits from excellent key switches, intuitive software, and a durable design. You still get discrete media keys, as well as thin, elevated keycaps and per-key RGB illumination. While the G915 TKL costs almost twice as much as similar wired models, it's arguably worth the premium, especially if you find yourself moving the keyboard around to take advantage of its USB dongle and Bluetooth connection profiles. Number 5. Razer Black Widow V3 Mini Hyperspeed. The Razer Black Widow V3 Mini Hyperspeed is one of the best mini gaming keyboards you can buy. Unlike smaller models, the V3 Mini Hyperspeed features a 65% profile. That means you won't have to sacrifice discrete arrow keys or a dedicated delete button. That's great news for touch typists. For gamers, the V3 Mini Hyperspeed features comfortable razor green or yellow switches, as well as full RGB lighting, which you can sync with your other Razer gear. Granted, the Black Widow V3 Mini Hyperspeed is extremely expensive, considering its size. The good news, however, is that you can probably find discounted prices at many retailers. As a wireless keyboard with powerful lighting capabilities, you can also run through the battery pretty quickly, at least on default settings. And that covers today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.